fairy rainbow. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the fairy rainbow. Today we are going to draw and color a cute cat. Let's start drawing. First, I draw her ears and head. Draw with me. Let's draw the eyebrows. Then some stripes. I draw her cute eyes. I'm going to draw a little nose of our cute kitten and her mouth. Let's add more details to the eyes to make her more beautiful. Now, I draw her body. Let's draw her 4 little legs. The tail. I add some stripes and whiskers. I draw a small butterfly. I draw another butterfly. I'm going to use this black marker to make our drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Light blue. A little bit of yellow. Dark blue. Gray. Orange. Yellow. A bit of orange. Pink. Let's color her cute paws and tail. She is so cute! I'm going to color butterflies. Pink. Light blue. Red. Magic rainbow. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.